If you're having shifting issues and upon inspection you find your derailleur hanger is bent, you'll need to replace it. First, disconnect the power source to prevent accidentally running the motor while working on the drivetrain. Now flip the bike over and begin by cutting the motor cable zip tie and unhooking the motor. Loosen the axle nuts and remove the wheel, keeping in mind the alignment of the axle, motor cable, and torque washers. Now loosen the derailleur mounting bolt while keeping control of the derailleur, and move the assembly out of the way. Remove the screw or screws securing the derailleur hanger to the bike, and discard the bent hanger. Install the new derailleur hanger, then install the derailleur, ensuring the notch on the derailleur sits in the groove on the derailleur hanger. Tighten the bolt, then reinstall the rear wheel and tighten the axles. Check to make sure your bike shifts smoothly through all the gears, and refer to our video on adjusting the derailleur high and low limit screws if necessary.